Sunday, the 17th of September 2023, US Highway 29 South, coming out of Tucker, headed towards Decatur. We're going to one of my favorite all-time places today. Depending on how crowded it is, what we do though, it's Mason Mill Park, but it's the old City of Decatur Waterworks. I've been going there since the early 1960s, way before Dekalb County, cleaned it up and made trails and all that stuff out of it. It had a lot of ruins there. Most of those are gone now, but I've got great pictures from 20-25 years ago of the old buildings, the ruins, some of them in the snow. Just a really neat place that I've always liked. And I'll point out some of the features that most people wouldn't even have a clue what they are anymore. But we're headed there. We may also go to Glen Lake Park. There's a little trail that leads up to Decatur Cemetery. It's a neat little trail, and we'll see if we get over there. There again, depending on how many people there are around. But yeah, this is US 29. We're coming up on North Druid Hills Road down here, or we will shortly. We'll go ahead and upload this one, so y'all be looking for the follow-up. There's also another trail that had, wildlife trail that had aisles and islets on it last year or year before last, but I don't know that we'll make it there. This quick trip up here on the left is a rather interesting quick trip. Right there to the left, it goes into Clarkston area. There's some adult clubs that sort of, when they let out, they come up here to this quick trip and get rowdy. But we'll see how we come out down here at the Waterworks, and we'll go ahead and upload this one and just get it going and let y'all see it. And be on the lookout for this one down here at City of Decatur Waterworks, and that's right there at the VA hospital. It's Mason Mill Park, Dekalb Tennis Center now. We may go to the old bridge that used to be Claremont Road too, the two-lane bridge that was Claremont Road until they paved and widened it and paved it in the early 1960s too.